Hello friends, welcome to the today's lecture. In last lecture, we already studied the modifications of taproot systems for food storage and for respiration. Today we are going to study the modifications of adventitious roots for food storage. That is, what is the main difference between modifications of taproot system for food storage and modifications of adventitious root system for food storage. In taproot system, that is for modification of food storage, a particular shape and size is occurs or is gained. But in adventitious or fibrous root system for modification of food storage, there is no particular shape and size. That is, shape is irregular. That is, in modification of adventitious root system for food storage, there are different types, and these types are based on the structure or shape of that root system or that storage of the food. That is, the shape of that storage of the root system. There are four types. That is, first is the food storage for simple tuberous root. Second is the fasciculated tuberous root. Third is the moniliforma, or it is also called as the beaded. And fourth is the nodulous, that is the nodulated form. First, we see simple tuberous root. That is, tubers are nothing but these are stores the food material. Simple tuberous root. Why it is called as the simple tuberous root? Because of at the time of modification of food storage in the adventitious root system, a single root is developed. That is, single tuber is developed at the single point. No bunch is formed, no cluster is formed. That means the example sweet potato, that is Ipomia batatas. It is in Ipomia batata or sweet potato, the aerial nodes of the stem produces the branches, and these branches are penetrates toward the soil. That is, near the soil, the node of the stem produces branches. These branches penetrates inside the soil and forms the storage of the food material. That means the simple tuberous root. That is, these simple tuberous roots are nothing but they stores the food material. Example, Ipomia batatas. This is the scientific name or botanical name. It is also called as the sweet potato in Marathi, Ratali. Also, it is called as the shakarkanda. That is, there are different names are there. This is the classification of Ipomia batatas, that is sweet potato. Kingdom Plantae, division Magnoliophyta, class Magnoliopsida, order Sonales, family Convolvulaceae, genus Ipomia, and species batatas. That is Ipomia batatas, that is sweet potato in Marathi. Second type is the fasciculated tuberous root. What is difference between simple tuberous root and fasciculated tuberous root? In simple tuberous root, a single root is developed, and in fasciculated tuberous root, a cluster or a bunch of roots are developed at a single point. That means a bunch is formed at a single point for the modification of food storage. Example, dahlia or asparagus, etc. That is, dahlia is the garden plant or flowering plant of the family Asteraceae, that is the sunflower family. Asparagus is the monocot, and asparagus is called in Marathi, that is the shatmul or shatavari. Asparagus racemosus, that is bunch of roots are developed for modification of the root system, and this is called as the fasciculated root system. Example, dahlia or asparagus. This asparagus is used for various medicinal purposes, maximally for vegetable, that is it is different purposes, that is for medicinal, also vegetable purposes, or that is after cooking. That is next, the classification of asparagus genus. This is the classification of genus asparagus, that is kingdom Plantae, division angiosperms, class monocots, order Asparagales, family Asparagaceae, subfamily Asparagonidae, and genus Asparagus. That is, the third type is the moniliforma or beaded. That is, nodules are developed at regular intervals on the roots for food storage. These are called as the beaded, or it is also called as the moniliform. Example, Indian spinach, that is in Marathi palak. That is, Indian spinach is nothing but it is the vegetable, and these roots are forms the beaded like appearance at regular intervals. Due to this, it is also called as the beaded or moniliform. That is, the name is Spinacia oleracea. This is the botanical or scientific name. Then, classification of Indian spinach is, this is the classification of Indian spinach, that is in Marathi palak, kingdom Plantae, phylum Spermatophyta, subphylum Angiospermi, class Dicotyledone, order Caryophyllus, family Chenopodiaceae, genus Spinacia, and species Oleracea. The fourth type is nodulous root or nodulated roots. Example, mango ginger. Then arrow plant, that is ornamental. Mango ginger in Marathi Ambe Halad. That is, in this type of the food storage of the adventitious root system, the nodulous root enlarged and forms the structure which is called as the nodulated roots. That is, these nodules are developed on the roots and becomes a longer, and it forms the nodulated roots. Mango ginger, it is nothing but it is used for the various different purposes, and this is the example of the nodulous root. That is, These four types are nothing but the types of the modifications of the adventitious roots or the food storage. Then classification of mango ginger, that is in Marathi आंबे हळद. This is the classification of curcuma amada, that is in Marathi आंबे हळद. Kingdom Plantae, division Angiosperms, class Monocot, order Gingiberales, family Gingiberaceae, genus Curcuma, and species Amada, that is Curcuma amada. Thanks for watching the video.